Hi, this is Jussi from 3DBear. Today I will show you how you can bring any 3D models into augmented reality using 3DBear and Thingiverse together. So first, let's open the 3DBear AR application, and then from the bottom left you can access the collections. In the collections view you see a magnifying glass. From there you can search Thingiverse for any 3D models available there, and Thingiverse has millions of 3D models available. If you are not logged into Thingiverse, you first need to log in and create your personal account in Thingiverse to use this feature. So let's say I wanted to have a fox in augmented reality, so I can search for a fox, and I see all the different foxes that are available there. I tap one that I want, and voila, it appears on my screen in AR. And then I can do all the normal operations that I can do with 3DBear, place it where I like, change color, resize it, adjust it, and it stays in AR. And it's truly a 3D object, so you can look it from different angles and so on. Alright, next I will show you how you can bring your own 3D models into Thingiverse and then bring them into augmented reality. So let's open your favorite 3D modeling program. I use Tinkercad as an example. So I create a 3D model in Tinkercad. Let's do, for example, a bridge. Like this. This bridge is fantastic, by the way. And then I export it. And I've created a 3D model. So it doesn't matter how you want to create a 3D model. You can use any 3D modeling programs. You can scan it and so on. Any way you wish to make it. And when you've done a 3D model, then you'll upload it into Thingiverse. So you'll log in with your account and then go create, upload a thing. And here you just select the model you've created and name it. Be sure to name it distinctively, because you will search for this model in the application. So I just named it after me. There's only one Jussi Kajala in the world, so I call it Jussi Kajala Bridge. I will find it easily in the app. You need to select a category and write a summary. And then you can publish the thing. And there it is in Thingiverse. So next, let's go back to the application. I'll just mirror it on the screen again. Here. Now we're back in the app, and let's go to the Thingiverse search again. Now I'll search for my name. This is how I named the file. And I'll find the bridge I just created, and I can bring it into AR. So using 3DBear and Thingiverse together, you can create your own 3D content into augmented reality. How cool is that? Thank you.